Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a reliable backup. This preserves photos, contacts, and app data. Once backed up, make sure the device is charged above 50% or connect a power source to avoid interruption. Next, verify sign-in info, Google or Apple ID, device PIN, and any carrier account details, because you will need them after the reset. Now, access settings and locate system or general management. Follow to reset options. Proceed to the action when you're once in reset options, choose factory data reset, and read the list of accounts and storage marked for erasure. You do this so nothing important gets lost unexpectedly. Enter your PIN or password when prompted to authorize the wipe. On some devices, you must also remove the linked Google or Apple account to disable activation locks. Tap Delete or Erase to begin. The device will reboot and display progress as it clears settings, apps, and personal files. After the wipe completes, the device restarts to the initial setup screen. You will sign in with the same account used before the reset, so have credentials ready. If an activation lock appears, sign into the original account. If you cannot, contact the device manufacturer or carrier for proof of ownership help. Once authenticated, restore your cloud backup and reconfigure apps and settings. Troubleshooting tip: if the device won't boot, try recovery mode and reflash firmware, or seek professional service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.